If your dryer sounds like it's grinding and it's very noisy, if you can listen very closely, or your clothes are getting stuck in between the drums, then this is what you need. You need the dryer bearing top support and also the bearing slides. Let me go ahead and show you and then demonstrate how to take this apart and replace the top bearing support along with the slides. There you have it. This is the old top bearing slide. You can clearly see here that it's all worn down. It's actually broken in many pieces. So I guess that because of a lot of rubbing, you were hearing the squeaky noise, and you can clearly see that in some areas where it's broken, that's probably where the clothing was getting caught. So in comparison to the old one and the new one, you can clearly see there. Also, you notice that there are a couple of other slides that go in between here that help the drum of the dryer, turn smoothly. These were actually missing and broken. So we're going to replace these as well. Let's go ahead and replace the new part, and let me go ahead and demonstrate that for you. Alright everyone, the dryer is back together again. It's turned on. So far so good. We don't hear the squeaking noise. So everything is back in operational. Here once again the old one broken without the slides, and now we have a new top bearing slide with the sliders, and so hopefully that will not allow us to get our clothing stuck in the drums, and we can stop hearing that squeaking noise. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and I appreciate you. Take care.